In this video, I'll show you how to use Perplexity AI to quickly summarize any web page for better efficiency. I start by clicking into the main search bar and typing a request for a concise summary of a Wikipedia page about the history and impact of the internet. I make sure to include the specific URL so the AI can pull the most up-to-date information directly from the source. The results provide a high-level overview of the internet as a global network, detailing its evolution from early research roots into a massive commercial infrastructure. It effectively highlights major historical milestones and explains how the internet has transformed global communication and commerce through tools like email and social networking. Next, I want to try a follow-up task to see how it handles specific formatting. So I head to the follow-up box at the bottom. I type a prompt asking for 5 clear bullet points regarding the goals and milestones of NASA's Artemis mission, again providing the direct link. Once I hit the send button, the AI analyzes the NASA page to extract only the most relevant mission details. The generated response clearly outlines the mission's primary goal of returning humans to the moon as a stepping stone for future Mars exploration. It highlights the development of the Lunar Gateway and lists the specific flight tests, including Artemis 1 and 2, that are designed to establish a sustained human presence on the lunar surface. Using these summaries allows me to grasp complex topics in a fraction of the time it would take to read the entire page. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.